Hi everyone, long time no see you, my friend. Today I'm gonna show you this beautiful, gorgeous, interesting hairstyle. So we are doing separations for 4 sections, and then we are doing ponytail and putting some sponge to have this beautiful form. And then we are using powder to the roots, Shamuratov line, champion edition, and then step by step we are backcombing all the hair, and then we are separating, opening the roots evenly also, and putting some pins to give a direction, and combing and cleaning up on the top side. And then we're giving some liners and making it more transparent and more softer and more romantic. And then and this we are fixing it, and then we are curling very well with a 32 millimeters curling iron, also Shamuratov line. You can purchase it on my website shamuratov.com. And then we are using liquid hairspray to give this transparent breezy hair texture, as you can see. Then you will get this very romantic and beautiful gorgeous lines. And then we are doing opening technique, and then we're fixing with the bobby pin. And as you can see, I'm doing it all the hair till the end, and then I'm taking another hair also doing the same thing. But pay attention here, it's very important that I'm not doing even, I'm doing like a break layers, so it doesn't have to be even. Okay, so opening it and doing these layers one more time, and doing a lot of these liners. This is very basic, interesting element, and it's very interesting to create these liners, and you can do whatever you want if you learn how to do opening technique. And this is one of the variation what you can do with this opening technique. As you can see, every time this looks so interesting, and difficult elements like rows also, actually you have to learn at the first how to do open technique, and then it's gonna be more easy for you to create the rows and more specific and difficult elements. And look at the result, guys. Wow, do you like it or do you love it? And also I'm leaving some curls in the front, and I've put some accessories for the hair.